In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group email in AOL. If you regularly send the same message to multiple people, creating a group, also called a list, saves time and keeps your emails consistent. We'll walk through the process from opening AOL Mail to saving your new group, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so everything is clear. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for AOL Mail. In the search results, choose the official AOL Mail link to open the sign-in page. On the top right, click Login or Join. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and access your account here so you can manage your contacts and lists. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Contacts icon. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the left sidebar or near the top of the page, often represented by a person's silhouette. Click that to open your Contacts area. This is where AOL stores individual contacts and the lists you'll create. At the top of the Contacts view, select the Lists tab. This switches you from viewing individual contacts to viewing your groups. Now click the option to create a new list. You might see a plus Create List button, or you may need to open a small menu and choose New List. Both options lead to the same place. Give your list a clear, memorable name in the list name field. Short, descriptive names work best, something like family or project team, so you can quickly find it later when composing an email. Next, use the Add Contacts field to include people in the group. You can type a contact's name if they're already in your address book, or enter an email address directly if they're not. As you type, AOL may suggest matches. Click the right one to add it. Take a moment to double-check spelling to avoid bounced messages. When you've added everyone you need, click Save or Create to finalize the group. That's it. The list is now ready. If you ever need to make changes, return to the List tab, open your list, and add or remove contacts as needed. It's normal for teams and families to change over time, so keep it updated. A quick tip for using your new group. When you compose a new email, start typing the list name in the To field and select it from the suggestions. AOL will automatically address the message to everyone in the group, ensuring your communication stays consistent and fast.